Hello everyone, I'm in the Smart #5 Brabus edition, 646 horsepower, Smart says 3.8 seconds from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour. I'm gonna test this, but I'm gonna test way more when it comes to acceleration, because this car has a lot of different modes. We have drive mode Eco, Comfort, Sport, Brabus edition, and we have something in Brabus edition, Rocket Launch, where when you press the brake with your left foot and accelerate full with your right foot, it will count down 3, 2, 1, go, and then it should have the best acceleration, and I want to see if it really has that. And then I want to go on the highway and accelerate in Brabus edition from 100 to 200 so you can see the full acceleration.
This video is brought to you by A Better Route Planner, the route planner for EVs. Hundreds of cars are supported. Choose your configuration, plan your route with the charging network that you want to prefer or charging networks that you want to avoid. If you're a premium member, you can use real-time weather forecast and traffic information, and you can also use A Better Route Planner in your car with Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Use the link in the description to support the channel and use A Better Route Planner Premium for 30 days for free.
And on my cockpit I have the G-force meter on so you can see, and we start with Eco mode. In Eco mode we have 8.27 seconds. Acceleration is really weak, but maybe some people like that, but I don't think people who like that will get the Brabus edition. Okay, I made a mistake. As many other EVs, this one has it too. When you press the accelerator button, when you press it even harder, there's a button, and this gets you out of all of your drive modes and you get full power. So I have to accelerate full, but not too hard that I get out of comfort mode. So let's do that again. In comfort mode I get to 6.37 seconds. Acceleration on the bottom is a bit weak, but then at around 70 it gets almost full power, I would say. Sport mode. God, I drove around this thing now, I don't know, 6 times. Sport mode, 4.76 seconds. And you can feel on the bottom there's a bit more punch. Still not the full that we will get in Brabus, but really good. And then again at around 70, 80, it's full power. 2 more times. Brabus mode. 3.95 seconds in Brabus mode. Really nice acceleration. Oh, good. Now we do the rocket launch. You have to be in Brabus mode. You go into your vehicle settings, activate rocket launch. When you stand, you press full the brake with your left pedal, full acceleration with your right foot, and then it will count down 3, 2, 1, go. And then you just leave the brake and you should get the best acceleration this car can give you. So let's see if this is true, if we get the 3.8 seconds then.
3, 2, 1, go.
And I get to 3.77 seconds. Is it verified? And the cutest thing is, before I made the mistake of pushing the button on the accelerator pedal in comfort mode, and I got 3.69 seconds, so faster. Even faster than rocket launch. Now we go on the highway and I show you the acceleration from around 100 kilometers or less to around 200. We'll see how busy it is, if it all works. I hope it goes up so fast. We're only gonna do this in Brabus mode, and the acceleration is so good with there in no time. And by the way, I did all of those tests, most of them above 80% state of charge. Now I'm at 78. And go. Yeah, this thing goes from 100 or from 130 and even from 50 kilometers an hour acceleration. Wow. Wow, wow. If you want to follow me on Instagram, BatteryLife1, but that's it for me. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and take care. Bye.